Hey everybody, just reporting. It says thousands evacuated as the rare December typhoon is expected, with heavy rains in the Philippines. So the typhoon is heading for the evacuation of their homes, and it says intense areas including the capital of Manila. The hurricane Camora, is known as local, has been expected to strengthen, evaluate to a Category 3 hurricane by Tuesday morning. And so here's some more information regarding that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.